Welcome to m-hance presents the 12 Days of Hintmas with me, Sharon Keegan. On the second day of Hintmas, GP gave to me a way of seeing who posted to my general ledger. Now, this information was available if you wanted to create a smart list or a report to get that information. But let's say the auditors are in and they asked you a quick question. So the easiest way to find out now is to go to the journal inquiry screen. And if I go to my very last journal, in the top right corner here, the user who posted in this case was SA. So that's me. I'm logged in as the SA user. But it's good to be able to see who posted it, because if you have a query, you need to go back to see where something came from. Say if something came from inventory or so on, you're trying to track back, you're doing a reconciliation, you're trying to track back where something came from, you can go back and find out from the person who posted, and they will no doubt have more information for you on that. So yeah, you can now see the user who posted in your journal inquiry window. And again, to get to that, it's under your inquiries. So you can go to Financial, Inquiries, and Journal Entry Inquiry. And that information will be there for you. And it is retrospective, so you can see historic transactions with the user who posted, because that information was always in the tables. So that's another tip for you, and hope you get to use it. Thanks for joining us. Come back tomorrow for more hens.